Good morning, all. Next unit, fourth unit, it is branch and bound. Okay, see, branch and bound, the method is the design technique known as branch and bound is very similar to backtracking. Okay, and in branch and bound also it will be similar to the backtracking technique. Okay, in that it searches a tree model of the solution space and is applicable to find a variety of discrete combinatorial problems. So we have to solve different type of problems using a branch and bound technique. It may be knapsack problem or different type of multiple considerations, whatever. We have to perform to the using of branch and bound technique. See, the the design technique known as branch and bound is very similar to backtracking in that it searches a tree model of the solution space and is applicable to a wide variety of discrete combinatorial problems. Okay. Next, all paths from the root to other nodes define the state space of the problem. See here, we can say that different type of states. That is a solution state and answer state. See, in solution state are those problem states S for which the path from the root to S defines a tuple in the solution spaces. The leaf nodes in the combinatorial tree are the solution states. Okay, and answer state are those solution states for which the path from the root to S defines a tuple that is a member of the set of solutions of the particular problem. That is, it will be satisfies the implicit constraints. Okay, here different type of states: solution state and answer state. Okay, solution state and answer state. Okay, the tree organization of the solution space is referred to as the state space tree. Referred as the state space tree. Okay, here we can use the different type of nodes, that is live node, e node, dead node. See, a node which has been generated and all of whose children have not yet been generated is called a live node. That is, a node which has been generated and all of whose children have not yet been generated is called a live node. Okay, and the live node whose children are currently being generated is called the e node. That is, node being not be expanded. Whenever the node not be expanded, that node is called as a e node. And dead node, a dead node is a generated node which not to be expanded further or all of whose children have been generated. Whenever the children have been generated, it will not be expanded. That is called as a dead node. Okay. And the bounding functions are used to kill live nodes without generating all their children. Okay, these are the three different nodes from the state space tree. That is the live node, e node, dead node. That is generated the children's line currently being generated, e node, not be expanded further on those or all of whose children are being generated, dead node. So these are the three types of node. There is the live node, e node, and dead node. Okay. So what is the state space tree? The tree organization of the solution space is referred to as the state space tree. Okay. This is the one of the example of the four pins problem. There is, so we have seen the different of states. This is the one of the state. Okay. So this is the using of FIFO can assign the four pin problems. And already we have discussed the four pins problem in the backtracking methods. How to perform the four pins problem. That is, you can use the what are the conditions, how it will be performed, what are the algorithm, everything will be, what is the state space tree, and everything we have to discuss on the backtracking method. Okay. So what is the condition of backtrack four pins? Same column, same row, same diagonal. The pin will not be placed. This is the main condition of the particular perform the four pins operator in the backtracking method. Okay. So initially there is only one live node, node 1. This represents the case in which node queen has been placed on the chessboard. This node is an E node. It is expanded its children node 2, 18, 34 and 15. These nodes represent chessboard with queen 1 in row 1 and 2, 3, 4 respectively. The only live nodes 2, 18, 34, 15. If the nodes are generated in this order, the next node are node 2. It is expanded and the nodes 3, 8 and 13 are generated. Node 3 is immediately killed using the bounding function. 8 and 13 are the other live nodes. So node 18 became the next E node. Node 19, 24 and 29 are generated. Node 19 and 24 are killed as a result of the bounding functions. And node 29 is added to the queue of live nodes. Now the E node is the node 34. Below the figure shows the portion of the tree of the previous figure that is generated by FIFO branch and bound search, and nodes that are killed as a result of the bounding functions are be under them. Okay. At the time of the answer node 31 is reached and the only live nodes remain the 38 and 54. See here. 2, 18, 34, 50. In the 3, 18, 13, 19, 24, 29, 35, 40, 45, 51, 56, 60. Likewise, these are the nodes will be generated 5, 7, 10, 12, 15, 17, 21, 23, 26, 28, 31, 33, 37, 39, 42, 44, 47, 49, 53, 55, 58, 60. So likewise, we have to generate a nodes from the using of 4 pins or 4 by 4 there is a 64 nodes will be generated. Okay, this is the tree solution tree. Next is a traveling salesman problem using of branch and bound technique. So what is the traveling salesperson problem? Whenever he wants to start it from the source, then you want to return the same source, maybe least cost. Okay, see, it is algorithm procedure similar to backtracking in which a new branch is chosen and is there until new branch is chosen for advancing. This technique is implemented in the traveling sales problem, which are the asymmetric, that is Cij less than or greater than equal to Cij, where this technique is added to the procedure. So, how to solve this procedure? C. Step 0, generate a cost matrix for the given graph. Step 1, row reduction for all the rows. Step 2, find least cost in a row and negate it with rest of the elements. Step 3, column reduction, use of cost matrix. A row reduces one for all columns is step 4. And find least cost in a column and negate it with rest of elements. Next, preserve the cost matrix and list all the edges ij having cost equal to 0. Next, calculate effective cost of the edges. It is sigma ij equal to least cost in the ith row excluding I comma j plus least cost in the jth column excluding of I comma j, and compare all effective cost and pick up the largest one. If two or more have the same cost, then arbitrarily choose any one among them. Delete I comma j means delete ith row and jth column. Change I comma j value to infinity, and if I comma j not present, leave them. Repeat step 1 to step 9 until the resultant cost matrix having order of 2 by 2 and reduce it. Use preserved cost matrix Cn n minus 1 1. Choose an edge I comma j having value equal to 0 at the first time for a preserved matrix and leave that matrix. Use result obtained in step 11 to generate a complete tool. So likewise you have to solve the procedure. So row reduction, column reduction, and get all the zeros and perform the different type of operations. You can reach the traveling salesperson problem. Okay. So using of the branch and bound. So dynamical is there, branch and bound. So whatever you have to perform the branch and bound technique. Okay. So first you have to write the matrix from the given graph. It is generate a cost matrix from the given graph. Okay. And second, row reduction, least cost, column reduction, least cost. So likewise, we have to perform the traveling. This is a TSP, traveling salesman problem. Okay. See. This is the given graph. See, change all the entries in row I and column j to infinity. Set e of j comma to infinity. Reduce all rows and columns do the respective of matrix except for the rows and columns containing the only infinity. If R is the total amount of subtracted step 1, there is the C cap of S equal to C cap of R plus E of I comma j plus R. Initially assume U equal to infinity and kill the live nodes C cap of X greater than equal to U. Whether when the process reaches to the leaf node, the delta 2 that will be reduced to produce the optimal 2. Okay, C is an example. So alpha 20, 30, 10, 11, 15, infinity, 16, 4, 2, 3, 5, infinity. This is a matrix. This is a, okay, first of all, we have to write the matrix. So, first, select the minimum value from the each row and subtract. Minimum row is the sorry. 10 is the minimum row, here 2, here 3, here 3, here 4. Okay, so 3 తో డివైడ్ చేయడం అంటే వస్తుంది ఇన్ఫినిటీ 10 20 0 1 4 అయితే 13 infinity 14 2 0 1 3 infinity 0 2 16 3 15 infinity 0 12 0 3 12 infinity. ఓకేనా, సో ఇక మినిమం ఏంటి యాక్చువల్గా మనకి ఇక్కడ 10 2 3 3 4 వాటితో మనం ఏం చేస్తాము ఆ రో మొత్తాన్ని కూడా మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో ఫస్ట్ రోలో మినిమం ఎంత ఉందో ఆ రో మొత్తం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాము, సెకండ్ రోలో మినిమం ఎంత ఉందో ఆ రో మొత్తం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాము, థర్డ్ రోలో ఎంత మినిమం ఉందో ఆ రో మొత్తం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తాము, అదేవిధంగా ఫోర్త్ రో ఫిఫ్త్ రో. Next, select minimum value from column and subtract it. సో కాలంలో మినిమం వాల్యూ ఎంతో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో చూడండి, దీంట్లో కాలంలో మినిమం వాల్యూ 1, దీంట్లో 0, దీంట్లో 3, ఈ కాలంలో 0, ఈ కాలంలో 0. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసే వస్తుంది 12 0 15 11 0 కాబట్టి అదే వస్తుంది, 3 కాబట్టి 17 11 infinity 40 12 0 0 కాబట్టి సేమ్ కాలం, 0 కాబట్టి సేమ్ కాలం. సో set first the minimum value from the each row and subtract. Select minimum value from the each column and subtract. Okay, సో మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇటు వచ్చేసి 10, ఇక్కడ 2, ఇక్కడ 2, ఇక్కడ 3, ఇక్కడ 4 కాబట్టి 21, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 1 0 3 0 0 కాబట్టి 4. Reduce the cost matrix of order 1 is this one. That is 21 plus 4 equal to 5. So node 1 is generate its children nodes 2, 3, 4, 5. There is now the value is 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Now consider the 1 to 2. అంటే ఫస్ట్ నోడ్ కాబట్టి మనం నోడ్ 1 నుంచి 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. See, make all the entries of each row and column 2 to infinity. 1 2 కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ రో సెకండ్ కాలమ్ అన్ని కూడా ఇన్ఫినిటీ తీసుకుంటాం. సో entries in row 1 and column 2 infinity. That is a of 2 1 equal to infinity. Now select min value from each row and column. సో దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ వేస్తాము ప్రతి రోని మనము ప్రతి కాలమ్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. అప్పుడు చూడండి వచ్చింది మనకి ఈ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా, దట్ ఈస్ సి క్యాప్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ ప్లస్ ఈ ఆఫ్ 1 2 ప్లస్ ఆర్. సి క్యాప్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ ఎంత మనకి 25, ఈ ఆఫ్ 1 2 అంతకుముందు ఎంత 1 2 10, ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. So 25, 2 1 10, r equal to 0. R means the difference of the column and row. Okay. Next, consider part 1 3. Then చేస్తాము row 1 column 3 మొత్తం కూడా ఇన్ఫినిటీ. సో row 1 column 3 ఫిట్ చేస్తాం. మళ్ళీ సేమ్ డిఫరెన్స్, సెలెక్ట్ ద మినిమం వాల్యూ ఫ్రమ్. సో ఇక్కడ సి క్యాప్ ఆఫ్ 25, 1370, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 11 వచ్చింది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 11 మినిమమ్ 0 0 0 0 0 0. సో 11 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి 11 వచ్చేసి R అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా. సో ఎంత వచ్చింది కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ నోడ్ 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 53. నెక్స్ట్ fourth node. So first 1 4, 1 2 1 3 1 4. Now it generated to the 6 7 8. Cost of node 4 is the minimum. So fourth node minimum కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇప్పుడు fourth node నుంచి అసైన్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ 1 4 2 row 1 row 4 కాలమ్ 2ని ఇన్ఫినిటీ తీసుకుంటాం. అవన్నీ మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా. సో సిక్స్త్ నోడ్ వస్తుంది. 1 4 3 సెవెంత్ నోడ్ వస్తుంది. అంటే row 1 row 4 కాలమ్ 3 చేసుకొని వాటి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకుంది. సి క్యాప్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ ప్లస్ 4 ఆఫ్ 3 ప్లస్ ఆర్. నెక్స్ట్ అదేవిధంగా 1 4 5, ఈ ఆఫ్ 4 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ, 5 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ. అంటే row 1 row 4 ఫిఫ్త్ కాలం, row 1 row 4 ఫిఫ్త్ కాలం. ఓకే. సో 8th వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. 8 7, సో 6 7 8 of the cost is a 6. కాబట్టి 6 is the minimum. Now set makes the next e node. Gives the node 8 generated children. That is 1 4 2 3. That is first row, fourth row, second row, column 3. Just మనకి values ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా. This is the 52. Now 2 1 3 1 5 1. It is the cost is 24. So likewise we have to infinite all the things, then we can get the values. See here, to consider the path 1 4 2 5 3, all are infinities, then we get the values 28. Therefore the optimal tour is 1 4 2 5 3 1 with the optimal cost of 28. C 1 2 3 4 5 in 4 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is the path. So likewise we have to construct the traveling salesperson problem using branch and bound technique. Okay. So first what we have to do, first we have the cost matrix and reduce the column and reduce the row, then we can get the values. So minimum value in that one we can assign the 2 3 4. Then you have to find then that which is the minimum value from the row 3 4 5. In that way we have to start the values at 6 7 8, and that we have to start by slow. Likewise we have to perform the operations and solve the optimal solution from the particular traveling sales problem. Okay, you can get the optimal cost equal to 28. Okay, so likewise you have to perform to the operations. Okay, so condition is C cap of S equal to C cap of R plus E of I comma J plus R. So likewise we have to perform the traveling salesperson problem using the branch and bound technique. Okay, so what we have to do in the last of this node, we have to define the matrix all the infinities. In that way we can get the optimal cost of the particular traveling salesman problem. Okay, so this is the tree of TSP. Okay, this is the tree of TSP. Okay, so which is the minimum in that tree it will be assigned, which is the minimum in the tree it will be assigned. So likewise we have to construct the optimal cost. So we have to find the optimal cost of traveling salesperson problem. Okay, this is the branch and bound technique. So next one is the efficiency consideration. Okay, that is one can possess the several conditions. One can possess the several conditions. The several questions of considering the performance, the characteristics of branch and bound algorithms to find the least cost answer of the nodes. So what are the efficiency saying? Does the use of the better string values to upper always the decrease the number of the nodes, and it is possible to decrease the number of nodes by generating of some nodes, and does the use of the better always results in the decreasing of the considerations, and does the use of the dominant relations ever result in the generation of the particular conditions? So here we can, although you have to perform the different of operations in the institutions, the answer to other or country of institution. However, even in case of in which the answer does not agree with the institution, that we can accept the performance of the each and every algorithm generally agree the initiative operations expectations. Okay, all that the following different type of theorems you have to perform the, consequently you have to assign the different type of things. Okay, that is that may be based upon the state space and based on the functions, what are the trees we have to assign. Okay, the number of nodes generated using the 3 and 3 4, then we have to branch and bound search to release the many increasing of the performances. Okay, likewise we have to assign the different type of considerations we get the better solution to the branch and bound technique problems. Okay, okay, so next comparison of trees. Next is comparison trees, searching and sorting, comparisons, reductions and multiplicity and integral, triangle matrices and transitive closures. Okay, so we discuss on later. These are the concepts. Okay, Thank you.